There were shepherds living out in the field nearby, keeping watch over their flock at night. An angel of the Lord appeared to them, and the glory of the Lord shone around them, and they were terrified. The shepherds weren't doing what they did any different than every single night. They were in the same field. They were looking after the same sheep. They were following the very same routine that they have done every single day. They had no expectations, no anticipation. It was just another ordinary night. And then suddenly, everything changed. The ordinary was no longer ordinary. It was a divine encounter, a divine moment. The heavens erupted here on earth, and God interrupts their routine. God interrupted the ordinary.